Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. So we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and go to Device Details. Scroll down again, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.